How to make t-shirts on Roblox. Now in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can create your customized t-shirts on Roblox. The first thing that you want to do is, of course, to access Roblox Studio by pulling up your preferred web browser. And from the search box, just simply type in Roblox Studio and choose on the very first result that will redirect you into Roblox Creator Hub. Now, once you're here, make sure that you're already logged in into your Roblox account. And once you're on the dashboard, all you have to do at the left side is go into creations. Now, in here, switch it into avatar items. And then these options here, switch it into classics. So here it is. This is where you can customize your or make t-shirts on Roblox. Under filters, you can change into classic t-shirts, just a classic shirt or classic pants. Now, click this option here that says upload asset, and this is where you can upload any file that you would like to have printed on your t-shirt. Click this upload option so that you can access your file manager, name the t-shirt, and as well as this description, and hit on upload. And that's it. That's how you make t-shirts on Roblox.